let's get to know some simple array methods. So we have array methods like map, and map turns each element into an array. So example, we have this. We have 1, 2, 3, and then terminate it, and then okay, I think we are going to create another variable. We are going to double this, doubled, and number dot map. And what did we say that dot map does? It turns each element into what? An array. So now we have n, and we want to make a callback that n times 2. So what this basically means is that this and this, we want to multiply all the values here. So 1 times 2, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 3 times 2, 6. So if we should output this, we're going to get 1, 4, and 6, a double of the numbers in the array. And then we have the filter. So the filter method allows us to sort out or filter out elements based on a condition. So if it has met a certain condition, the filter method allows us to bring out those elements. Okay, so it creates a new array that contains only the elements that passed a certain condition. So for example, we have a variable go. Let's say digits. Yes, we have a variable digits, and digits has numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Something's not right. Yes, digits must be equal to something. So create another variable, and we say even numbers should be equal to filter, and then we make a callback. So if we should divide a number by 2 and it's equal to 0, then it should create a new array printing all the even numbers, meaning those are even numbers. So we've stored all the values that are divisible by 2 and it has the remainder to be 0 as evens. So the output for this variable evens is going to be equal to 2 and 4. Yes, these are what you are going to get. And then we have the reduce. So reduce allows us to reduce the array to a single value. So for example, we have something like this. And some what are we summing? Summing num dot reduce. What are we trying to do? You want to reduce an array to a single value. So let's use the accumulator and then current ACC and then care, and then we make a callback. So these are special reserved keywords. ACC means accumulator and the care means current. So the accumulator is going to accumulate the current digit. So if this should be set to 0 and this is set to 1, so we have 0 plus 1, we get 1, and then accumulator is going to accumulate that result, and then if we should have accumulator to be 1 and current to be 2, 1 plus 2, 3, and then accumulator is going to accumulate a current value which is 3. So it's like accumulator just engulfs and current just produces new numbers, or let's say new arguments. Okay, so we have accumulator plus the care, which I call current, and then I say it's set to 0 like that. So do you get? I just explained with how accumulator works and then how the current works. So we set accumulator to 0 and current to 1. So lastly, we should talk about